1, 2, 3, go! Welcome to Perfect Word Media. My name is J. Monroe Johnson, also known commonly as Chief Monroe, because I am the Chief Executive Officer of Free and Clear Realty, an Alabama corporation that is under attack yet again by the Marshall County KKK officials' mafia cult. They have nearly bludgeoned my mother to death. And I'm asking you to contact the FBI, and I'm also asking you to contact Senator Tuberville's office in Huntsville and Congressman Adderholt's office in Gadsden, and demand, as a citizen of the United States of America, that Blood Judge Mitch Floyd, Satanic Sheriff Phil Sims, and mob boss Realtor Mayor Tracy Honey be put on administrative leave, as this American Alabama judicial abomination makes its way through the American judicial system. We have an attorney, and I ask you to please contact the U.S. Department of Justice by way of the FBI. You can Google their 1-800 number, and they also have an anonymous tip line portal, a website that you can also report this crime to. These people killed our chief financial officer. They have nearly killed my mother, and they're not going to stop until you stop them. The people of the United States, with integrity and honor and respect for the Constitution. Again, please contact the FBI, contact Senator Tommy Tuberville, also known as Coach Tuberville, and contact Congressman Adderholt through their representatives. And Congressman Adderholt's office is in Gadsden, Alabama. And Senator Tuberville's office is in Huntsville. Thank you, and do your duty. You do not have the right to remain silent when you realize that Alabama state officials and Albertville city officials are murdering military veterans and mothers to steal millions of dollars in prime commercial real property. You don't have the right to remain silent. You have a duty to contact the FBI and Congressman Adderholt and Senator Tuberville. Thank you.